Hello everyone. Today at STEM at Home session, we are going to learn the concept of laminar flow. For this, we need a balloon filled with water, a pair of scissors, a toothpick and a tape. For this, firstly, we need to take pieces of tape and we need to stick the tape on the surface of balloon like this here in the form of square on the surface of our balloon, keeping a hole in between of the center. In this way, we need to stick the pieces of tape on the surface of balloon, leaving a hole in between. Now, how to learn the concept of laminar flow? For this, we need a toothpick. We simply need to prick this toothpick in the center of this hole, and you will observe that the water will come out of this hole like a still column, or you can also observe that as it seems that water is freezing and the water will come out of the hole without any disruption. This will tells about the laminar flow. Now we'll see how it works.